Hey guys, welcome back to another vlog. Another southern adventure, if you will, because today's gonna be an adventure. I thought I would vlog our first hurricane experience. I put air quotes because it keeps going back and forth between hurricane and tropical storm. Either way, they are saying lots of rain, flooding, wind, power outages. So I'm probably gonna laugh at this when I look back after living here for a year, that I think this is interesting, but this is interesting to me and I'm actually kind of excited. So I thought I would kind of just mix a little bit of like a day in the life with our first hurricane. Heavy on the air quotes. So if anyone's watching this and you are from the South, leave your tips below on how to prep for like long-term power outages, floods. Anyways, let's get to the weather watching. Bring on the storm. Safely.
Not too bad, honestly. He has to go potty, but he's afraid of rain.
Should've known better than to trust in love. It's like this whole world keeps on messing it up. Yeah, I thought that I could do better if I just believed.
Bro, come on.
I'm thinking back to when you were in the sweater that you got from me.
Bro, come on.
It's so complicated. Why is this suffocating? I felt elevated when you used to lay with me.
Pretend between the trees and fed my house best by the leaves and laughed in my pretty.
You can go jump in it if you want.
I had a dream I could fly.
Go jump in it. Go jump in it.
I had a dream. Long walks in the dark through woods grown behind the park. I asked God who I'm supposed to be. The stars smiled down at me. God answered in silent reverie. I said a prayer and fell asleep. I had a dream that I could fly from the highest tree. I had a dream.
I got my butt.
Good morning. It's the next day. I didn't think I was gonna post all my footage from yesterday because nothing really happened. It was just rain. It it just missed us, I think. I don't know. I was so excited, and then it was just rain with a little bit of wind. Our lights flickered once, but honestly, we've already had worse storms than that since we've moved here. So I was hoping for something a little more fun for our first experience, but still wanted to share it nonetheless because I want to get in the habit of sharing more frequently on this channel, even if it's like just nothing all that interesting. I just want to share. Anyways, so we are fine. Everyone in my area is fine. As far as I'm aware, some counties down the road had some trees come down. Nobody was injured or anything like that. I know some people got hurt and maybe actually died down in Barbados, so say a prayer for those people. I know the storm is weakening now. Anyways, thanks again for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.